That bad knee you got rated for, it's spent 20 years quietly destroying 4 other body parts, and every single one of them can be a VA claim. Here's the thing nobody explains when you get that knee rating. Your body doesn't contain damage. It starts to distribute it. So here's your stat. From the VA's own annual report, limitation of knee motion is the #2 most rated condition in America. Over 2.3 million ratings. Millions of veterans walking around with a service-connected knee. And here's my question for every one of them. Where do you think the load went? Because your body is just one machine. When the right knee stopped pulling its weight, the work didn't disappear, it just got reassigned. To the left knee, to the hips, to the back. Every step, every stair, every day, for years, your knee basically filed a change of station. And the damage PCS to 4 new duty locations. So millions of veterans hold one knee rating, while the other knee, both hips and the spine, absorb decades of overtime, undocumented and unclaimed. And here's the part that should bother you. The VA will connect all of it. The opposite knee, the hips, the back, each one rated separately, connected through the knee you already have. The law for it has existed for decades, but your medical records don't tell that story. Right now, they probably show 5 random unrelated complaints spread across 20 years. A knee here, a hip there, a back that just started hurting. 5 mysteries when the truth is one machine, breaking in sequence exactly the way medicine says it breaks. Nobody connects those dots for you. Not your doctor, not the VA, because that's your job. And today I'm going to show you how. So during this video, I'm going to tell you about the machine and the dominoes, the veteran who got rated for one knee and lost 4 other body parts to it, and the playbook that turns your limp into evidence. So let's get into it. Now, I'm Dr. Marshall Bahr, an actual doctor, an Army Ranger, and a former CMP examiner. I have studied this chain as a physician. I have measured every joint in it as an examiner thousands of times, and I've lived it. Ask my left hip how the right knee's been doing since about 2009. They're pen pals now. Now at Xterra Health, we're physician-led. We connect these chains with medical opinions in some of our most common work because the biomechanics are textbook and the veterans almost never claim them. So let's open up the machine and look under the hood. So the simplest way to understand this, think about your truck. One tire goes low. You keep driving. What's going to happen? The other tires wear uneven. The alignment pulls. The suspension takes hits it wasn't built for. 6 months later, you don't have a tire problem. You have a whole truck problem, all traceable back to one tire. Your body works the same way, except you can't park it. The average person takes several thousand steps a day. When your knee hurts, you don't take fewer steps, you take different steps. You shorten the stride, you shift the weight, you land harder on the good side, you lean, you hitch, you favor. Each altered step is nothing, but run the math. Thousands of steps a day, times 365 days, times 10 or 20 years, that is literally millions of reps of your body doing the movement wrong on purpose to protect the painful part. Your body ran a load plan, and like every load plan in military history, somebody got voluntold to carry more than their share. The good knee got voluntold, the hips got voluntold, your spine's been on permanent extra duty since the Bush administration. That's the mechanism. Doctors call it altered gait and compensation, and it is established as gravity in the medical literature. Now, let's walk the dominoes one by one. So the first domino, the opposite knee, the so-called good one. For years, it's been landing harder, absorbing more force, doing 2 knees worth of work with 1 knee's worth of cartilage. And cartilage, remember, the tire tread from my 5 conditions video doesn't grow back. The good knee was never actually really good. It was just next. And bonus for the math nerds, the moment both knees are rated, the bilateral factor kicks in. The pair is worth extra on top. Now the second domino, the hips. When your stride changes, your pelvis stops riding level. It tilts and rotates with every step to keep you moving. The hip joints and everything around them start grinding at angles they weren't designed for. That's the aching hip, the bursitis, the why does my hip hurt? I never injured my hip mystery. You didn't injure it, you retasked it 20 million steps ago. Now the third domino is the back. A tilted pelvis is a crooked foundation, and your spine is the building standing on top of it. It curves and compensates to keep your eyes level, which loads the discs and the joints of your lower back unevenly every hour you're upright. Years later, you get degeneration, the strain, the disc problems, and the back is a domino that knocks over more dominoes because a failing back sends nerve pain shooting down the legs. That is radiculopathy, rateable for each leg. And yes, that can trigger the bilateral factor too. And there's one more loop in this machine, the quiet one. The knee that stopped you from running also started the weight gain, and every extra pound multiplies the load on every joint in the chain. The machine doesn't just break in sequence, it accelerates. So one rated knee, the opposite knee, 2 hips, a spine, radiculopathy down the legs, and a weight loop feeding all of it. That's not a knee problem. That is a freaking portfolio of problems. So let me tell you about a veteran called Booker. So Booker was light infantry, which means Booker's knees subsidized the American taxpayer for years. He got out in 2005 with a right knee rating at 10%. He filed it, got it, moved on like a good soldier. Then the sequence started. In 2011, his left knee starts aching. 2015, his right hip diagnosed as bursitis. 2019, the back goes, ending with injections and talk of a fusion surgery. In 2023, he has burning pain down his left legs. 4 different doctors over 18 years, and every one of them treated the part in front of them. The knee guy treated the knee. The back guy treated the back. Not one of them looked at the timeline and said the obvious thing. This is one machine, failing in exactly the order the first injury predicted. And Booker never filed any of it. His words were, "The VA rated my right knee. This other stuff is just me falling apart." When we reviewed his records, the chain was sitting right there in them. You just had to read the file like a mechanic instead of 4 separate specialists. The limp documented in 2009, the gait notation in 2014 physical therapy notes, the pelvic tilt on a 2019 X-ray report. His body had been writing the story for 2 decades. Nobody had read it start to finish. Now, a licensed medical provider written medical opinion walked the whole chain, knee to the gait, to the opposite knee, to hip, to spine, to nerves, with the biomechanics and the medical literature behind every link. Booker's just falling apart is now 5 service-connected conditions. His combined rating does not resemble 10% anymore. 18 years of dominoes. The first one was rated the whole time. Nobody followed it through. If your medical record and history reads like a slow motion collapse spreading outward from one old injury, that is not aging, my friend. That's a sequence, and sequence is provable. So here's how you build this claim. It's in 3 moves. So move number 1, connect the dots out loud on the record. From today forward, every appointment and every secure message links the chain and words. My left knee has been getting worse. I've favored it for years because of my service-connected right knee. My hip pain started after years of limping because of the knee. The words "because of" turn 5 random complaints into 1 documented chain. If you've watched my number 1 way to win a video, you already know what you write in that portal goes in the record verbatim. So write the chain. Move number 2, get the compensation itself on paper. Ask your provider to note your gait, the limp, the shifted weight, the uneven wear. A clinical note that says antalgic gait is just doctor speak for pain limp. And it's gold because it's the mechanism witnessed. Physical therapy notes, shoe wear, your spouse's statement about 20 years of watching you favor that side. All of it documents the engine of the chain. And move number 3, the medical provider's opinion. Here's the honest truth about these claims. The VA's default answer to an opposite knee, a hip, or back is that is aging, or that's just weight gain. And a veteran saying, "Oh, no, it's not," loses that argument every time. A medical provider, though, walking through the biomechanics, through altered gait, asymmetric load, the medical literature on compensatory joint degeneration applied to your timeline, that wins it. This is a Nexus Letters home turf. The chain is medically textbook, but somebody with credentials has to write the textbook into your file. And when they say, it's the weight gain, The weight is in the chain. The rated knee started the loop too, and the opinion should say so. Your limp has been telling the truth for 20 years. It's the most honest witness you have. It just needs a doctor to translate it. And chain claims are pure medical evidence claims, biomechanics, timelines, literature. That is our home field. Xterra Health is physician-led. Our providers are veterans and licensed medical professionals. We write nexus letters and medical opinions where they are written by licensed medical providers, walking your chain link by link, the gait notes, the timeline, the biomechanics, the medical literature, in the language raters need. This is exactly the document that turned Booker's falling apart into 5 connections, and it's never a template. And if you're not sure how far your chain runs, well, we offer a VA medical evidence roadmap. It's where you work with a licensed medical provider and a subject matter expert, and they review all your records and map the whole machine. Every domino from the first rated joint, every secondary, what's documented, what's missing, and the order of operations to build it. Booker's timeline was found in exactly this review. There is nothing else like it in the country. And we also offer a CMP exam prep because the left one's fine doc undoes the entire video. And the guarantee, no, if you get denied using one of our Nexus letters, we write the rebuttal opinion for free. If you're interested in any of these services, the links for them are in the description below. Now, let's finish this whole thing out. Your body did something honorable. When one part broke, the rest of the machine picked up the slack and carried it quietly for years without complaint. That's the most military thing your skeleton has ever done. But the parts that carried the load paid for it. The other knee, the hips, the back, they earned connection the same way the first knee did, in service of the mission. The chain is real. The chain is medical. And documented properly, the chain is the claim. One rated joint is the starting point. Just follow your dominoes. I am Dr. Marshall Bahr, Army Ranger, actual doctor, and former CMP examiner. Read your timeline, build your chain. I'll see you in the next video, and until next time, stay mission ready.